Armani Liddell will be May 15th. May 15th and 90. All right. Let's go ahead with 313-728-6299. Press star 6 to unmute yourself, please. Three one three 728-6299. Press star 6 to unmute yourself. All right, let's go to Michael LaRocca. Michael LaRocca. Are you there? City of Detroit versus Michael LaRocca, Michael Joseph LaRocca, case number SB 153853341. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. LaRocca. Please state your name for the record.
Michael Joseph LaRocca, press star. I'm sending you a message. Unmute yourself. All right, we're going to pass that match. Not responsive. Let's go down to Alicia Lanier. Alicia Lanier.
Okay.
Michael LaRocca, Alicia Lanier, and 728-6299. Press star 6 to unmute yourself.
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, let's get on the record. Good morning to you, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Alicia Lanier. Case numbers SP 1531384. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Alicia Lanier.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Sorry, go ahead, Mr. Bear.
No, you go ahead, Ms. Harris. You go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lanier.
Ms. Lanier, state your name for the record, please.
Alicia Lanier.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer for Ms. Lanier, as it stands now, is no offer on missing defective equipment, $120 for defective equipment. You have an absolute right to a trial. We'll dismiss the other. It says $100. I don't know what that missing defective equipment is. $100. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I can put you in a breakout room to speak to Ms. Harris about it, or you can just take the deal. What would you like to do?
I would like to go in the break room and speak with her, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Right. Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gorey. Mr. Gorey, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
I'd like that opportunity.
What opportunity is that?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. I thought you said you gave me you're giving me the opportunity to go into the breakout room.
Oh, you didn't speak to Mr. Berry yet?
Yes, I did.
Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do? Unmute yourself, please.
Mr. Berry, you have to unmute.
Trial date, Your Honor. The prosecutor requires a trial date.
Trial date, all right, we'll give him a trial date for April the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? April the 22nd, 2024, 9 a.m. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gordy?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
April the 22nd, 9 a.m. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You have a better one. All right, did LaRocca ever get his device together? Unmute yourself, Mr. LaRocca. All right, let's go down to Martez Gordon.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Martez Gordon, case number SP 131-233, count 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
Martez Odell Gordon.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
for purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. As it stands now, improper plate and allowing $240 fines will dismiss both of them upon payment. I'm only going to fine them one time.
I'm sorry.
And he has an absolute right to a trial. He pleads to 2, I'll just fine him for 1. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismiss upon payment. Mr. Gordon, join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
All right. Are we ready on Lanier?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the defective or missing equipment.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lanier, that's what you want to do, correct, Ms. Lanier?
That's correct.
All right, $100, when can you pay it?
I could pay it no later than Monday, just to be on the safe side. Well, I could pay it tomorrow, but
All right,
just to be on the safe.
I'll give you up to Monday. March the 11th, pay it before then. Pay it at any, or by then, pay it at any DIVDAT kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DIVDAT app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You have a good day too.
Thank you, thank you. All right, and Ms. Harris, this is you. This is the city of Detroit versus Kate Greenwood. Case number SP 1539719, counts 1, counts 2, SP 153974451, SP 153974481. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika
Yes, Your
Harris on
Honor.
behalf of Ms. Greenwood. Ms. Greenwood, please state your name for the record.
Katie Greenwood.
Good morning, Ms. Greenwood. I'm trying to find her offer.
It's driving on cell phone, no offer, or as charged and failed to display. And dismiss the other 2 counts.
$140, $240 fine on the no op, on the failure to display, $100 on the driving while license, on the cell phone. Absolute right to a trial, Ms. Greenwood. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris and have a conversation with her, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Can I have the statute for the cell phone, Your Honor?
Let's see. I just go on, on the ticket. Let's see if it's on the ticket first. Holding on using a mobile electronic device while operating a vehicle at 257.602B. 257.602B.
Thank you.
And she has an improper address license, civil infraction, but that doesn't matter because it's not. Go ahead.
Yeah, your arms are.
Long, Chiquita Long.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. You have valid insurance. Good morning. You have valid insurance and registration, Mr. Long?
I do have valid insurance and registration, but unfortunately, I'm currently in a training in Chicago, and I left my registration and insurance in my car at the airport. But I do have a copy of my insurance on my cell phone that, I could, an electronic copy, but I do not have my registration, but both of them are valid.
You want to email it to me? That's what they all say, Ms.
I would love to email it to you. And I could do that immediately.
How's the training going?
The training is going good. I work for an agency called the General Services Administration for the federal government. And we maintain all of the federal buildings in the country. So we are just getting some good training on how we can service our agencies and our customers. It's going great. It's our first training since before COVID. So just catching up on familiar faces and, reuniting.
So you've been doing that for a while, huh?
I've been doing this for 24 years, sir.
Oh, that's good. Well, I should have asked, how is Chicago doing after the training?
Say again?
How is the city of Chicago doing after the training? That's what you go on.
You mean like the bar life? Because that's what we do after training.
Whatever life you got going on after that, maybe that's what those training things are for, aren't they? It's really for, get a little training and then a little R&R, right?
It's going good, sir.
All right. I put my.
Did I see Ms. Mason?
Ms. Mason, can you join the, go to breakout room 4, Mr. Berry? Can you join the breakout room? And then, Ms. Mason, I do have Ms. Long here. It indicates that she's in Chicago. She indicates that she has valid registration and insurance, and she indicates that she can't get the insurance valid registration because it's in her car at the airport. However, she is gonna send me valid insurance. I'll put my email address in the chat. So speak to Mr. Barry momentarily, please.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll go into breakout room 4 and speak to Mr. Berry.
Send me that information and that you have about the insurance, please, Ms. Long, before I can call your case.
Say again, sir. I have your email address.
All right, just send me that insurance. We'll see if she's willing to recommend, if she's willing to agree to dismissal without by accepting your representation. All right.
Okay, sir. I'm sending it now.
Very well.
Should I stay on the line, sir?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Ms. Gordon, are you there? Sure. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
I'm here, Your Honor. For Gordon, for sure, Gordon.
Yes. Turn your camera on, please, ma'am.
Okay, hold on.
All right, good morning to you. You have an offer, but it doesn't include this one misdemeanor and these 2 civil infractions. I can get you a trial date on this. That typically the city doesn't give offers on the false info ID cases, but I've got a new city attorney. We'll see what she offers you, or we can just get you a trial date. I'll let you speak to it.
You said for the false ID case. I thought this was. I thought that was for this insurance and registration.
I guess that is false. They're indicating they're saying false ID, but you have documentation there, ma'am?
Yeah, I got a copy of it. I was driving a Turo rental, so it wasn't my vehicle.
Okay.
And I
sit tight. I'll let you speak to the lawyer. We'll get you an updated offer. All right.
Okay, thank you.
So wait a minute. You're not scheduled for court today. So you're trying to get in the zone, and you're not scheduled. Please don't. Okay, please don't do that, because we have an application today. So this is the number there. Thank you. Try to contact James.
You ready? No, not yet.
You did community service with the Southwest Justice Students. Right, you were yesterday. Hold on, sorry, hold on, sorry. Judge Paul needs to rope. He's trying to get into the session.
Oh, this.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, thanks.
All right, we got another attorney. Let's keep it.
Okay, so.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Shakita Malik Long, case number S1535165, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Soroki, thank you very much. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Long, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Colleen Soroki on behalf of Ms. Long.
Ms. Long, state your name for the record, please.
Shakita Monique Long.
Oh, I haven't gotten that insurance yet. Oh, I did. No, wait a minute.
Sir, I just sent it.
Right, I did. I just got it. All right. Ms. Long has showed me valid insurance on a 2019 Ford. Miss were you off the record, Ms. Soroki? I just had a discussion with Ms. Long about documentation. She indicated that to the court that she's in a conference in Chicago. Her car's at the airport. She has showed me valid insurance. She assures to me that her registration is valid, but she can't get it now. Ms. Mason knows of that conversation. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, I'm going to ask the court to dismiss both matters for compliance with paperwork.
Response, Ms. Mason.
Objection, no objection, Your Honor.
Dismiss the case, ma'am. Enjoy your conference. We need those federal buildings to be operating smoothly when we go in there and get our stuff, and then have a good time after hours as well, too, if you hang out like that.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you. Okay, City of Detroit, are we back on the, let me put one on the record for Ms. Soroki, and then let's go, then let's go back in order. And we're gonna just, we're trying to try to get somebody in the breakout room and have people in the breakout room and somebody on the record. So this is City of Detroit versus Assure Gordon, case number SP 119-42331. SP 126-96081, SP 151-70521, SP 1540158, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have Ms. Gordon.
Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Gordon, can you state your name for the record, please?
Assure Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the 2 cases that are on the docket, but we also have a false ID case that's in warrant status as for the purposes of the warrant.
Your Honor, waiving the formal reading the information, standing mute to the charges.
And enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I don't know if you want to touch these 2 speeding tickets. One was had 2021, 10/28/2021, and the other one was had 10/6/28/2021. Both of them were status. So that's where we are.
What's the speed, Your Honor, on the tickets?
So they're 21 to 25 and 11 to 15. They've already got the points, and I don't know how long the points stay. 2 years is probably over with as far as points is concerned. Miss is showing me documentation. Let's see that documentation that you have, ma'am. You have to pull it back a little bit. 7/24, 22. All right, come pull it up now, closer. All right, those are not in your name, but you're telling the court that this was the car that you were driving on that date, and that is the car that's on this ticket. So that looks good.
Sure. Now I'm on Zoom with Detroit, which is crazy.
Let's back it up a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, so what Ms. Gordon is showing me is documentation for this 2015 Chevrolet with ETM 5169 license plates, and they're valid as far as the court is concerned.
Your Honor, the City of Detroit has no objection to dismissal for compliance.
So here's the deal: to dismiss the false ID and the no insurance misdemeanor registration, and then you go ahead and you can just pay those other tickets. They're $216 and $180.
What are the 2 tickets, Your Honor? I didn't know about those.
Yeah, there are 2 tickets that you got a while ago. I told you the dates. 2021, I think one in June and one in October.
Yeah, I don't even know about that October one. I didn't receive a ticket in October. I do know about the June one on grass sheet, correct?
So Gratiot and Grandy, yep, and then the other one is, you got an expired plate with that, and it seems like that was paid, the expired plate was paid. This allegation was Gratiot and Shane in a 2010 Mercury.
I don't drive a Mercury, so I think they might have me mixed up. I've never driven a Mercury before.
Maybe one
Yeah,
of
I've
your
never
cousins,
heard of it.
one of your cousins gave you a name, I don't know.
Yeah, I have no recollection of that ticket at all. I do know about the speeding ticket, and
This is a
I just,
speeding ticket.
yeah, I don't have anything with that. I never drove a Mercury before.
Well, here's the
I've never
deal.
owned a Mercury.
Disposition responsible 7/11/2022, so they're not quite off the record. What do you want to do? Soroki, you want to work that out with the city attorney? I'm going to pass the matter while you work that out with the city attorney for Miss Gordon. I'll let you speak to Miss Gordon. Let me put you in a breakout room. Your room is going to be number 5, Miss Soroki, and I'll give you privileges. But
And somebody else is coming to help you with Kevin.
So I'm only seeing 2 tickets on the docket, the no insurance and no valid registration.
right, so when I look up, I try to treat it like a one-stop shop, to tell them everything that they have down here. And you
Okay.
look it up, one fellow's false ID is in warrant status, and then the two civil infractions were
21.
Default. All right, join the rooms and then speak to Miss Mason if you need to. All right, let's go back on. Are we ready on Greenwood?
Greenwood, ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greenwood. Ms. Greenwood, I'll be giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting trial and formal hearing.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Greenwood?
Yes, Your Honor.
I would also note for the record, she does have a valid license, or she did indicate she has a valid license.
All right, we'll check that out when you get to the back part, Ms. Greenwood. April the 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right. There's nothing further, Ms. Greenwood. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, Your Honor. You said 2022?
April the 22nd, 2024. I'm sorry. Can't go back that far. I wish we could.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
And what time was that, sir?
That was at 9 a.m.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day. Let's go back on the record. Martez Gordon, Mr. Gordon, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
I would like to go to court.
Trial?
Bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Trial date, Mr. Gordon, is going to be April the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. That's the last one for April the 22nd. Have a great day, sir. If you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let me get you in the day, Judge.
I got more on 7/20. I got 7/2/2021. If you want to give me some more, you can.
Okay. So we're going to run out of that.
Shakita Long. That's Shakita Monique Long. Did we already take care of her? That was the young lady in
Dismissed by the doctor.
Chicago, yeah. Then Gordon, that gets me down to Liddell, Thomas Liddell.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What's your middle name, please?
Clarence. Excuse me, Your Honor, you had dismissed this case for me, but they, the officer had reissued the ticket.
All right, let's call City of Detroit versus Thomas Lydell, case number SP 1448217, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1524999, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Liddell.
Thomas Clarence Liddell.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Okay, real issue, the ticket made a mistake and did not see that it was set for pre-trial. Okay, so yes. So what happened on that day, sir, is that the tickets were, let the camera, I don't see it. What happened on that date, sir, is that the tickets were not set for trial that day. So you're correct. I did that in error because I didn't see that it wasn't set for trial. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, sir, but I can take care of that.
All right,
I just got to renew it.
I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. You got to come down here and pay this reinstatement fee up front, $45.
Okay. When do I have to be paid?
You pay it as soon as possible. So after that, you can wait 48 to 72 hours to get a license.
Okay.
Bring a valid license, registration, and bring an insurance in, and it'll put you in a lot better position. So I'm marking the file on this no insurance proof. And I would have waived it, but you owed it back then too. And you should have gone and got your license then. I don't know why you didn't, because I thought I told you to do that.
Yes, sir, you did.
Let's set a pretrial date for April the 22nd, 2024, and then you got another ticket.
Okay.
So set a pretrial date. Come on down to the courthouse as soon as you can. Pay that reinstatement fee up front, $45, and then wait 48 to 72 hours, go to the Secretary of State. You have to come down to the window, Mr. Lydell, and pay that up front, all right? And wait 48 to 72 hours, and then go try to get a valid license, come back on April the 22nd, okay, at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Okay, Judge,
is this Officer Groves? That's what I have. That's the only person that's waiting in the wait.
They said that she said she not in there. You sure she in the recording?
It's nothing. There's only one. Officer Groves.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We've long passed the cutoff time.
I got disconnected.
Oh, you were here at what time?
I was here at 8:50.
All right. Okay, let's go with Clyde. Clyde, I've asked you for your last name. I'm asking you to start your video. Okay, Odom.
Judge, this is the state prosecutor. Is there anyone that needs to speak with me?
I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Rodrigo, and you can speak with let's find out if there's an officer that needs to speak with you.
Okay, thank you.
We haven't gotten to any trials yet. Odom.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Cameron.
Morning, Judge.
This is gonna be the city of Detroit. You'll be breakout room 6, Ms. Cameron. City of Detroit versus Kiera Odom, case numbers.
Judge, I just want to know, is there any offers? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt, sorry.
Yeah, I'll read them off to you. Send her an offer sheet if somebody could, please.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Kiera Odom, case number SB 153-171, 6 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Odom.
To offer, Ms. Odom, state your name for the record, please.
Kiara Odom.
All right, so no offer on the disregard and officer signal, dismissing the other 2 counts. Absolute right to a trial. I don't know what the disregard and officer signal, if that's a point ticket or not, Miss.
It's a 2-point, Your Honor. The city prosecute 2.
2-point ticket. She has an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room, Ms. Cameron, to speak to Ms. Odom.
Okay.
Judge, I just sent over the offers to Ms. Cameron and Soroki.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, thanks.
All right, Clyde, are you there? Clyde, are you there? He turned his camera on, but he's still not responding. So let's continue on. Blue, the device blue. I don't see that device anymore.
I thought that was Mr. Lilly. We did that one.
Oh, there was another one. Goldie. Sophia.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Is that Sophia Goday or
Yes,
Godoy?
Sophia Godoy.
Say that again.
Godoy.
Godoy. All right. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Sophia. Case number SP 153-87241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Ms. Godoy.
Sophia Maria Godoy.
There's a date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. The offer for Ms. Godoy is disorderly conduct, amended count, $240 fine. She has an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, Ms. Godoy.
Thank you.
And Antoine Greer, is that Greer or Green?
That's Green.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
See Antoine Green on the docket.
Yes, Your Honor, I just he had a no ops and the offer was failed to display, so it's improper license. He's under 830, Your Honor.
8:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Judge, I spoke with my officers. I'm just trying to see, there are 3 defendants that I want to see if there are counsel here for any of them. Lehman is not my case. Gibson is my case. And then Gaddis is my case. I'm just trying to see if Gaddis, Lehman, and Gibson or any of those counsel are here.
What's Gibson? What's Gibson? Let me see. There was some Gibsons here. So Dion Gibson, are you here? He's here. Dion Gibson's here. Who else is your client?
Gibson and Gaddis. I need to speak.
Gaddis is here. Is Mark Twain Gaddis here? He doesn't appear to be here. I got Dion Gibson is here.
Does he have counsel?
House counsel.
Oh, okay.
You got this one, Mr. Gibson.
Whenever House counsel's ready, I can speak with House counsel.
Can one of the House counsels handle all the trials, please?
Lehman is here.
Lehman, I haven't got to you yet.
Okay.
All right, Judge, so what do you want me to do? Take on it?
One House counsel handle all the trials, please.
I guess I can be the one.
All right, let's see. Let's think Gaddis is not here. So the officers for Gaddis can leave.
Okay.
And they want, I know 2 of them have checked in at least. Garrett, Lewis Garrett is not here. So Corporal Bennett for Lewis Garrett can leave. Gavin Robinson. Is Gavin Robinson here? Don't hear or see Gavin Robinson. Gibson is here. Lehman, Teresa Lehman. Yes, she's here.
That's me.
That's what you just spoke. So you're here. Good morning to you. And Nabel David, I think he's here. Yes. All right. So we have those.
Yes, I'm here.
Miss Soroki is handling the trials.
Your Honor, just a question, but the phone callers, do we know who all of them are?
No, we don't. We only know, we tried to get, let's do that right now. This 313-728-6299, we tried a long time ago. They never did unmute themselves. I told them to press *6. Everybody on the phone, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. You're on the phone, there's 997. That's 313-282. What's your name, please? 7297.
My name is Terrell Lamar Lindsay.
Terrell Lamar Lindsay. Okay. Terrell Lamar Lindsay. All right.
I had an on Thursday, February 1st.
I'm fine. I can get the name. All right.
Okay,
all right. 808-1406. What's your name, please?
Tristan Gooch.
Gooch. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Well, Lindsay and Gooch are here. And I haven't called any of you guys are still in line anyway. I don't see Gooch on the docket.
8:45.
8:45. And then Lindsay is on the docket too, yes. All right, then let's get then Lehman. I have her at 7677, right?
Yes, I'm here.
And then the other person never did unmute themselves. They must have fell asleep. All right, let's go ahead. This is the City of Detroit versus Antoine DeMar Green, case number SP 1496281, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Antoine Lamar Green, who's on the appear on that?
Yep,
on that?
Antoine Green.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Green.
Mr. Godet, you have Mrs. Godet, Mr. Berry. I need somebody
Yes, I
that
do.
doesn't have, Ms. Harris.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Antoine Green.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. He has an unsafe driving, unsafe manner that's in default right now as the offer stands and failure to display $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. So you can see if Ms. Harris will get you an updated offer. Speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Mr. Green, let us know what you want to do when you come back, all right?
Okay.
Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Is that Ms. Odom's file? I need to hear Odom's file.
Your Honor, can you place Gibson or Afida in a breakout room so I can speak with them about these trials?
You have access, don't you?
I do, but I don't seem like I have the ability, let me see, to move them into a.
Place Gibson in the trial?
Yeah, in a room, please.
In the
Judge,
room?
I've got some housekeeping matters for trials. Lehman will be dismissed.
Okay, that's ready then.
Lehman's dismissed. Odifa's dismissed.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Awesome, good. Do we have Gibson here, Your Honor?
Yes, he's here.
Defendant Gibson, okay.
You said Odifa?
Yeah, hold on a second. All right, I'm gonna put him in a breakout room, Gibson in a breakout room with you.
Thank you.
Where's Odom? Okay, City of Detroit. Did we call Odom into the record? We did already. Let's go back on the record with Kiera Odom. My understanding, you want a trial date, ma'am?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is Ms. Odom there?
Ms. Odom, please unmute. Thank you.
Yes, I'm here.
State your name for the record.
Kiera Odom.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Odom is electing to have a bench trial before the court.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Ms. Odom? Give me that.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date for July the 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Odom?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Are we ready on Godoy?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record. Ms. Godoy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Godoy?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, same date, July the 2nd, 2024, 9 a.m., all right?
Is that gonna be in person or on Zoom?
It's however you want it, ma'am. It's like Burger King, you have it your way. You can come in person or you want it on Zoom.
Okay, thank you. And that's July 22nd, you said?
Pardon me?
July 22nd, Your Honor?
No, July 2nd.
Thank you so much.
Great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting for Mr. Green a trial date, Your Honor.
Okay. Guess what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes.
All right. Same date. July the 2nd, 2020. July 2nd. Try July 2nd, not July the 22nd. July 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you. Is Clyde ever going to respond? There's Clyde there. Clyde, you have your camera on. Clyde's never responding. Let's go with E. Goodwin. E. Goodwin.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Edwin Ronnie Goodwin.
Yes, sir.
This is, oh, must be the city of Detroit. I think this is one of those transit tickets again. City of Detroit. This ticket was already found responsible. Did you go downstairs on this ticket? Well, it's on the docket. So City of Detroit versus Edwin Ronnie Goodwin. Numbers ST 4801, ST 5371, ST 5372. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodwin.
Edwin Ronnie Goodwin.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Goodwin, it appears your offer for the no ops ticket is failure to display, no offer on the blocking traffic, and dismissed as no insurance civil infraction. Failure to display is 240, blocking traffic is 175, and it will dismiss the civil infraction. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Put you in a breakout room. Do you have a valid license?
Yes, I do, sir. Yes.
Let's run Mr.
And insurance.
Goodwin. And it, well, the insurance is not in question really now.
Okay.
They were dismissing. Let's run Mr. Goodwin's license. All right, we're gonna have to pass it.
Your Honor, can you run Mr. Gibson's license also, please? His driver's license for Mr. Gibson. Dion Gibson.
I have an offer too for that case, House Counsel.
Okay.
If you want to go to break.
You want to jump in the breakout room, please?
Yep.
Okay, so you can go in I guess anyone.
Okay. Can you sign me to it?
I think I can.
All right, let's pass that matter. Rich Rosario. Clyde, you're sitting there at the computer. You haven't said anything. I've been asking you to state your name, please.
Oh, Richard Osorio.
Clyde is still not saying anything. I guess your name might not be Clyde, but you're sitting there behind in front of a window, sir, with some draperies.
No.
You got a white t-shirt on, not you, Rosario.
Oh, okay.
Can we get license for those two defendants, Goodwin and Gibson, please? All right, well, he's still not responding. So we'll go to Rosario.
Oh, lady, about to blow out.
The what? City of Detroit versus Richard Rosario. Case number is SP 1450781, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, I'm Richard Osorio.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Offer, Mr. Rosario is going to be pleading to the driver's license revoked and the improper plate, $240 a piece. They will abstract on the driver's license revoked. I don't know if it carries any points or not, Mr. Berry, and the improperly played will dismiss upon payment of $240. I'll only charge him $124. I'll only charge him $124. So plead to the driver's license revoked. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry and speak with him.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, you have Ms. Lomax's valid docs. Put that. Go to the breakout room with Mr. Rosario and speak to him, please.
Yes.
TCL 9137W. Unmute yourself, please, and state your name, please.
Nathaniel Grissman.
Grissman, good morning to you. Oh, you're here for review. You didn't. I called you earlier, but you must not have heard me. I meant to get you out of here first thing. Is Kamisha Leggett here?
Oh.
I don't know if you made a payment or not. Did you pay Mr. Grisham?
I'm sorry, can you say that again, sir?
Okay, one on the City of Detroit versus Nathaniel Grisham. Case numbers SP 11979-341-18475-3611. State your name for the record, Mr. Grisham.
Nathaniel Grissman.
All right, Mr. Grisham, you paid one, but you didn't pay the other. When are you gonna pay the other?
I need to like the beginning of the month. I got a doctor's appointment today where he's supposed to put me back on full duty at my job.
I'm gonna dismiss 18-475-3611. Pay. And you say how much? Do you need another month or something?
Yeah, I need at least till like the first week of next month.
All right, give me what about review on April the 8th? Have you paid by then?
Sure.
All right, have a good day, sir. April 8th, best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you, sir.
Gooch. All right, let's go back on, let's call Gooch and get Gooch going. We'll get back and go back around to the license. Who's Gooch? Tristan Gooch? I don't have. You're on the phone, Mr. Gooch. He's on the 808 phone. Mr. Gooch, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Tristan Lee Gooch, case number SP 1534515, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record, Mr. Gooch.
Tristan Lee Gooch.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And are not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gooch, your offer right now as it stands, he doesn't have an offer on here that I can see.
Your Honor, I don't see his name on the docket. What time frame?
Docket at 8:45. So get an offer for Mr. Gooch, I'll put him in the breakout room and allow you to speak with him. But Alonzo Greer is not coming in.
Your Honor, unfortunately, he's not on the docket that I have. Could you please tell me what his charges are?
Well, his charges are insurance misdemeanor, failure to stop, driving license suspended. He has, no, that's not good. That's for you have valid license and insurance, Mr. Gooch?
No, sir.
All right, pass the matter, get him an offer, and we'll go from there, all right?
Okay.
What are we doing with Miss Gordon? Let's go back on the record with Ashura Gordon.
Your Honor, Colleen Soroki on behalf of Ashura Gordon. I believe the recommendation for the two matters that were on the docket is for dismissal. I'd ask the court to grant that. And regarding the last matter that's in warrant status, she's requesting a bench trial date.
Well, they dismissed those. She's talking about these speeding tickets.
Well, Judge, I went through the register of actions. She admitted those.
She didn't. She didn't admit. She admitted one to me and not the other.
When I reviewed the register of action, it appears as if she went to the hearings and admitted the violation.
Okay, very good.
Unless I read it.
I'm just going by what she told me.
Well,
where is she?
Connecting, I guess, at this point.
Why you got your sound now? Pass the matter. What about Edwin, Ronnie Edwin? I have a valid license for him. Who's on the record for Ronnie Edwin? A good one, Ronnie Edwin, Ronnie Goodwin.
Yes, sir.
This one was the city of Detroit versus Edwin Ronnie Goodwin, and it was ST 401, ST 537, counts 1 and counts 2. He indicated to the court that he has a valid driver's license, which he does. And then he indicated to the court a civil infraction, that a misdemeanor. He had valid insurance. You show the court the copy of the insurance. Yeah. Turn your background off, please.
It's a digital copy, if that's okay.
You want to email it to me?
Sure. You have to email in the chat.
I'm gonna put it in the chat. It should be in the chat, but I'll read it.
Sean Perkins.
Yes,
okay, I got you. Yep, I got you.
Make sure you dot in there too, all right? Let's pass the matter one more time. If it's good, then all we're talking about is the blocking traffic, $175. So.
Your Honor, if I may,
I'll let you speak to the city. I'll let you speak to the city attorney about. You're going to say you had car damage, car issues, or something.
No. He got me for being on my cell phone. I don't have anything for blocking traffic. I had no insurance, no proof of driver's license.
Blocking traffic, That's not, you know what I mean? Like Derek Coleman said, you wanted him to, he was late for his shoot around. And he said, shoot around, coach, I give you 20 and 10 a game. You want it in the game or you want it in prep, in the shoot around. So it's up to you.
I don't want to make it any worse than what it is. This, I'll adhere to whatever the advice is of the.
But the attorney, but I'm just looking at as charged, so I don't know what's different. I don't know difference. So let's pass the matter. Who are we ready on?
No one. I need to speak with Miss Mason.
All right, speak with Miss Mason. Miss
Breakout room 4.
No, Mr. Michael LaRocca, are you there now?
Yeah, I've been here the whole time.
Yeah, but you haven't been responding.
I don't know. I've been doing stuff around the house. It's my only day off. I haven't even heard my name get called at all.
Doing stuff around the house, sleeping around the house.
Yeah, I do fall back asleep for sure.
There it is. Miss Gordon. we're not on the record for any of this, Ms. Williams. We're just trying to sort through this stuff. Ms. Gordon.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Ms. Soroki says, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, Ms. Soroki says that you admitted responsibility at the formal hearings on both of those tickets.
Yeah, I don't recall, but I told her okay.
All right, so you just
I'll work on getting them paid.
All right, all the other ones are closed out. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna owe a $45 reinstatement fee on this one false insurance, but it's gonna be closed out. So you pay those when a little bit later, Ms. Mathis will have it updated. It'll just be the 2 civil infractions and the $45 that you owe, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too, thanks.
All right, anybody speak with Gooch? All right, let's go. City of Detroit versus Michael Joseph LaRocca, case number SP 153-85341. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. LaRocca, state your name for the record, please.
Michael Joseph Baroka.
All right, today is the date and time set.
It's 8:35.
Pre-trial is the plea is charged $240 fine, dismissed upon payment, absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki and speak with her about it, all right? Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand that.
She'll explain it to you.
Okay.
And
all right, go to 7.
Thank you. Your Honor, did they run his license yet?
Gibson's license is valid.
Okay, thank you.
Why? You got volume now. What's your last name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Lynch, Lynch.
Lynch. Why? Darnell?
Yes.
Somebody here or is somebody ready? Okay.
I was in Zoom and
I know you couldn't hear. I got you. You're up next.
No, I got kicked out on the when I first had the first original date. I was kicked out, and I got a picture of the screen, and I didn't touch it. He just kicked me out. It went blank, so I thought he got dismissed.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Glenn, Clyde. Ms. Harris, let's get this in order. Where are we with Mr.
It's crazy.
Where are we with Mr. Ms. Harris?
The problem is he can't hear me in the breakout room. He said he can't hear me, but I think that when he's out here, he can.
You know why? Because he's attached to a phone.
But the phone number he gave me, I didn't see in the main session, so I don't know. Maybe the other one, maybe it really is him.
It is him. I connected, I merged both of them, so now we have a problem with that, huh? Oh, press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gooch. *6 to unmute yourself. You did it, and you went back muted again. All right, now try to go back in the breakout room, Mr. Gooch.
I'm on my I'm on like a phone and I'm on the app because I couldn't get the volume on the app, so I called in too, so I won't miss the court date.
Let's try it again. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 10. Breakout room 10.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone? Ms. Soroki, oh, she's not ready. The mess today, huh? We're almost through. All right, let's get some of these people that are upset for dismissals. You can do that without counsel.
It's a busy day today.
Very busy. Very busy. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Teresa Michelle Lehman, case number SP 109-28231, SP 120-70471, SP 120-71591, SP 149-3915, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 149-80441. Appearance for the record, please.
My name's Teresa Michelle Lehman.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. All right, I had Officer Charles Turner appear, so I'm gonna mark him as appear. And the other officers, I did not see Backstresser or Luna. So the recommendation was for dismissal, correct, Ms. Mason?
Yes.
I know you would say that.
Those tickets were being dismissed.
Dismissal, we're gonna dismiss the matters based on the city attorney's recommendation, all right? Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Now, we had another one I know that was set for dismissal, and that was Officer Luna is here.
Her phone was dying, Judge, so I just released her because we were dismissing that one in.
He called it and said no reelection.
Officer Luna, I just parked on the file. All right, then we had another dismissal for Officer Odefa. Give me the correct pronunciation, sir, please. City of Detroit versus Nabil Odefa, case number SP 1447581, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Odefa.
Here.
State your name for the record, please.
Nabil Odefa.
It was Officer Groves here, but the recommendation is for the dismissal. I'll dismiss the case. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. I'll wait for warrant fees.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. Yep. All right. Let's go down to so what's your last name again? Oh, Lynch. Is somebody ready for Lynch? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Clyde Darnell Lynch, case number SP 1537940, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1537941, SP 1554736, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1554741. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lynch.
Mr. Lynch, can you state your name for the record?
Clyde Darnell Lynch.
All right, good morning to you. Do you have valid license, insurance, and registration, sir?
Like I told the officer, I was traveling.
Just tell me, just you don't have to.
No.
None of that. All right, get Mr. Lynch an updated offer. I only have two things on the docket today, so that tells me that it's only going to be 2. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you're ready, Mr. Soroki, it's 1 no insurance misdemeanor, 1 driving while license suspended, 2 civil infraction expired plates, and another no ops and another no insurance misdemeanor. So 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors and 2 civil infractions. Get them an offer, put them in a breakout room, And Rita, if he wants to take the deal, make sure he knows he has an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you. Ms. Mason, can you meet me in the breakout room, please?
And
which one?
I'm waiting for you in 4 also.
Okay, let's go to 4.
All right, thank you.
Are we ready on Goodwin? Did anybody speak to Goodwin?
I spoke to Mr. Goodwin, Your Honor, and I need to speak with the prosecutor to get her to finally.
Okay, very well. Go ahead and continue that conversation. What about LaRocca? Are we ready on LaRocca?
Yeah, I'm ready. I don't know if she's talking to somebody.
All right, I'll wait on the lawyer that spoke to you. Are we ready on Gooch?
Ready?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooch. Mr. Gooch, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date. We would also ask if the court is able to view his driving record or to know if he has any reinstatement fees or anything with the court that needs to be paid prior to obtaining his license.
I don't see anything here. Let's see, Gooch. All I see is these 3 cases. And then they shouldn't be affecting his license here. All right. You want a trial date, Mr. Gooch? You want a trial? July the 2nd. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gooch? You have to unmute yourself. *6, unmute yourself again, please.
Yeah, I would like to take it to trial.
All right, come back on July the 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. But
thank you. You too.
Lindsay, Terrell, Lamar, Lindsay.
Thank you.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Terrell, Lamar, Lindsay. Case number Z8091341. Appearance for the record, please.
Cheryl Harris on behalf of Mr. Lindsay, please state your name for the record.
Terrell Lamar Lindsay.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lindsay, it's for purposes of bond. Is this a good phone number we can reach you at, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes, sir.
313-282-7297.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
As for purposes of bond, counsel.
Okay.
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm just trying to find his name on the docket first.
It's on 1 count of high BAC.
Your Honor, I respectfully request, again, these are allegations. I don't believe Mr. Lindsay is a flight risk or poses or presents that he wouldn't come to court for future court hearings. I would ask for a personal bond on his behalf.
I don't believe he's going to be a flight risk either. He's showed himself today, and although he's got to come back on the Zoom, so I can see his face the next hearing. I'm going to give him $500 personal bond.
My phone just have the Zoom app to where I can see you. I tried to set it up, but my phone won't do it.
I would also ask that an attorney be appointed, Your Honor.
You need an appointed counsel, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I got your number. You need to call. I'm gonna have him back in 2 weeks because this case is the severity of the case. I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for March the 21st, that's really gonna be a control date, sir. I'm gonna order you to test one time per week. I'm gonna order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. I am gonna refer this matter to probation, so they can help you. They can help you. March 21st.
At what time?
At 8:30.
8:30.
And write this number down to probation. I got 313-965-3414. Well, probation should contact you. You should not have to contact them. However, it is Thursday. I expect that the latest that these tests start next week. So by the time you come back to me, I need to have 1 or 2 tests already done. Okay, and they need to be, if I see a diluted, a missed, or a positive test, we're gonna have to up the ante, all right, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes, but that number is 965. What's the last 4?
3414.
3414.
You should be getting a call from probation. And obviously, no drinking during the pendency of this case, okay, sir?
Sir.
Any other questions?
Not at the moment. I need to be back this. I need to contact them and get back with you, Mark.
They're gonna contact you. If you don't hear from them by next week, early next week, you need to get in touch with them or get in touch with us, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, March 21st, 2024. And then you need to answer the calls you might not recognize, because one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, all right?
I think I just got one when I was on the phone with you guys. I got a call.
Not from us, because we haven't put the referral in yet.
Oh, okay. It was the same area code. It was the New York area code. I think it was a lawyer, but I didn't answer.
All right. Well, you should be getting one, hopefully, from a local area code. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thanks a lot.
All right. All right. What's going on with? Did we talk to Goodwin? Anybody talk to Goodwin?
I have not. I have 2 people that I did speak with, though, Judge.
I spoke to Mr. Goodwin, Your Honor. Sorry.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. What's going to be the outcome of Mr. Goodwin's case?
The offer remains the blocking traffic, and that's the offer.
Blocking traffic, Mr. Goodwin, $175. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points. We'll dismiss the other matters. What do you want to do?
Sounds good to me. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, so blocking traffic is already entered into that, like that, $175. Dismiss the other case and have a very good day. When do you want to pay that?
If I can I pay that on the 20th, sir?
All right. I'll put it around the 21st to make sure it gets there. Pay the DIP kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIP that app to your phone. It's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You do the same, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
LaRocca, what's going on with LaRocca? Did anyone speak to LaRocca?
Yeah, Your Honor, I did talk to an attorney, and we came to the conclusion I'm just going to plead guilty.
Who did you speak with that first?
Last month or just now?
Just now.
I have no idea. Some woman, Pauline Soroki.
Yes.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Joseph LaRocca. Ms. Soroki, did you speak to Mr. LaRocca?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, what does your client want to do?
He wants to avail himself to the recommendation for the allowing unlicensed driver with the delayed sentence.
That's what he said. You want to raise your right hand, Mr. LaRocca? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Adam, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yeah.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
Understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Questions about those rights?
Nope.
You know, by taking this offer, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to January 5th, 2024, at around 1:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you own a 2016 Chevy on that day, sir?
Yeah.
You allowed somebody to drive that Chevy?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you allowed that person to drive that Chevy knowing that person didn't have a valid driver's license, is that correct?
At the time I was unaware, and then when he got pulled over, I was aware.
All right, trial date. We gotta set a trial date, sir. You have to know before you give those keys up, if that person doesn't have a right. Let's set a trial date for July the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right. Let's make sure moving forward, counselors, that if they want to plead to allowing, that they can make all the elements up of the allowing, okay? Because you can't make the element up of you have to know that that person didn't have a valid license.
I did explain that to him, Your Honor. We did have a conversation about that. So
No, I was aware he didn't have a license, is what I was saying.
Well, you just got through telling me that he wasn't aware that he had a license until he got pulled over.
Well, because I thought he had got it back. He was fighting to get his license back.
Okay, so you weren't aware that he didn't have a valid license? July the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m., sir. That's based on your own testimony. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Who do we have? Mr.
Osorio.
Mr.
Osorio.
Mr. Osorio,
Hello.
let's get on the record
Hello.
with Osorio. Mr. Osorio, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in a breakout room. Did we call Osario's case into the record?
Yes, you did.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Osorio would have accept the updated offer to plead to the driving on a revoked license. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Okay. That what you want to do, sir? You know it's going to further impact your license moving forward, right?
Yes, I understand, but there's nothing I can do about it.
Well, you can set a trial
I'm
date.
guilty of it.
Well, it's up to you. You spoke with a lawyer. If you want to take the deal, you take the deal, all right?
I take the deal.
All right, you raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do. I tell the truth.
If you want to see if you can do better on the day of trial, you can see if you can do better on the day of trial.
I don't think I can.
Okay. There's nothing I can help you with anymore then. All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty of this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I do.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let's draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2023, around 6:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Cartridge Street. Did you have a case mandated to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah, I did have a. Yes, I was there.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did.
Do so, could you?
I did not have a valid driver's license.
Very good. I'm gonna find him guilty as charged, stipulate for probable cause, dismiss the other 2 counts, I'll waive the warrant fees.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
When can you pay the 240, sir?
Probably about 30 days.
April 8th, 2024, at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, I didn't give you the phone. Who else are we ready on? Let's call Clyde. Let's call Clyde Lynch back into the record. Does somebody talk to Mr. Lynch?
I spoke with him, Your Honor.
Let's go back to the record, Mr. Lynch. Mr. Lynch, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in a breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, he's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lynch? He's on mute. Can you unmute yourself, Mr. Lynch, please?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. You want a trial date, sir?
Yes, I said, I told the attorney I was pleading not guilty with impunity.
Trial date. It's July the 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay, sir?
July 5th.
And 2024 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. July the 5th.
Exactly.
All right.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
All right. You too.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay LaFay Galati, case number SP11254-801, SP1537651, SP15377-321. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's Barry on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Danita Galady.
Danita Galadi, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial hearing, 8:35. Galadi, give me the correct pronunciation again.
I'm sorry.
Last name, correct pronunciation?
Galady.
Galadi. 1 count of failure to display, $240 fine. Dismiss the other 2 counts. Absolute right to a trial. Do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Run the license, please, Ms. Mathis. Let's see the valid registration and insurance, Mr. Galadi. Ms. Galadi.
There's a registration.
I'm satisfied.
And here's the insurance.
Satisfied. Run the license and see where that goes. Just gone, right? Gerald's note, let's pass the matter momentarily. Gerald's note 20, Ultra 20. I don't see them on here anymore. Gerald's note Ultra 20, Bell's gone, Women's gone, Body's gone. Chrissy's iPhone.
Hi, I'm Christina Livingston Long.
Okay, Christina Livingston Long. Good morning to you. Good afternoon.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Galadi. I got valid driver's license as well. I have all 3 valid documentation. So what's the recommendation?
For the city Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 4471. Recommendation is dismissal for valid documentation.
Pay the warrant fee, pay the $45 reinstatement fee here, ma'am. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Your case dismissed.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, let's move on. Livingston Long, she would come to me, whatever last name she would use. City of Detroit. Christina Livingston Long, case number SP 1532260, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Christina Livingston Long.
All right. Ms. Livingston Long, state your name for the record, please.
Christina Livingston Long.
Turn your camera on now. Says valid documents, excuse me. Says valid documents here. Has anybody seen any valid documents?
I sent them to MS Cameron at Comcast, and I also CC'd you on that email of my insurance and registration.
I have Christina Livingston Long. I have a valid registration in your name. And I have valid insurance in your name. And we'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you.
Something further, Ms. Long. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
I do have one question, Your Honor.
Yes.
I got a letter in the mail. It says something about contempt to court. Will that be removed as well, or was that a warning for this date?
That's just a warning. It's got these case numbers on there. One of these case numbers on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's just going to be closed out. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You as well.
Gibson, is the City of Detroit versus Dion Lamar Gibson. Case number SP 106-5409, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11479-301, SP 11479-33, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1296018, counts 1 counts 2. SP 1384792, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Dion Lamar Gibson, case number SX365-34101, SX389-5699, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Mr. Gibson.
Mr. Gibson, state your name for the record, please.
Gibson.
All right, good morning to you. I do have a valid license for Mr. Gibson. What's the offer going to be?
Your Honor, according to the people, he would plead responsible to the count 1 to 5. The speeding ticket would be amended to 1 to 5 over because he did complete the better driver course. And the state indicated if he had a valid license, they would dismiss their ticket.
So just one count of 1 to 5 over and everything else dismissed?
Correct.
Stipulate to the, is that what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes.
Stipulate to the basic ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counsel.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Are your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay the reinstatement fees. When can you pay it, Mr. Gibson?
I asked for like 30 days.
For $125?
Yeah. You know, I'm unemployed right now, so it's kind of tight.
I'll give you 30 days. 4/8/2024. If there's nothing further, you've had any, you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. And best of luck on finding some employment, all right?
All right. Appreciate it.
If nothing further, have a good day. All right, let's go with Stephen Lee. Good morning to you. Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Southwest Detroit preacher, Mr. Stephen Lee, correct?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Lee. Case number SP 126-86971, SP 137-38481, SP 154-3104, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Steve Lee.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Steve Lee.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. See what the offer is. You have the offer, Mr. Soroki?
No, Your Honor, but I see that co-counsel spoke with Mr. Lee, and he does have a valid registration and insurance, so.
All right. But the offer as it stands now is dismiss the improper plates and dismiss the other two. You indicated that you have valid registration and insurance. Did somebody see that valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I sent it to the Miss Cameron email.
Cameron, are you there?
I don't see her, Your Honor. Maybe she dropped off.
Is she? No,
She's in a breakout room. Yeah, I see her in a breakout room.
Pass it momentarily. What about this 1 to 5 and 16 to 20? They're sitting at that's 4 points, 5 points on your license. I don't know if you want to make a deal, see if you can make a deal on those or not. Let's pass the matter momentarily until we get to this Cameron.
Is that straight up charge, Your Honor? 1 to 5 and 16 to 20?
That's what it appears. Let me make sure before I take it off the screen.
Yeah.
1620 default judgment went 8 and on August the 4th, and then the 1 to 5 was a default judgment on August the 4th.
Okay, thank you.
So let's pass the matter. Lomax, last but not least. No, it's not last, but Lomax is next. Are you there, Miss Yolanda Lomax?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, appreciate your patience, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Yolanda Lomax. Case numbers SP 1537502, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Not everybody at one time.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Right. Ms. Lomax, state your name for the record, please.
Yolanda Lomax.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lomax, do you have valid documentation? It's listed here as you do. I don't know what you put that up there?
No, no, I sent it to Miss Cameron.
Oh, did you send it to Miss Cameron?
I did. I have it right here for you if you want to see it, though.
Let's see it. Let's see it. don't see her anymore.
Can't see it?
Let's see it. Let's see.
Did I go away?
You just went away again. If you, if I can spot.
Hello? I'm here.
All right, there we go. All right, now hold up. Let's see what you keeps going away. Why does it do that for her? And Miss Cameron, did you do Miss Lowe documentation?
Yes, she has both registration insurance. She sent it to me. It's for a 2019 Jeep, registration expiring 12/14, and insurance expiring 8/24/24.
No. I have a Chevy Cruze.
Chevy Cruze.
Okay, so I'm sorry. This is Ms. Long, right?
No, Lomax.
Oh, Lomax. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I thought she was gone already. Okay, let me pull that up. I did see valid insurance, Judge, and registration. Yes.
Based on that, we'll dismiss or provide valid documentation. Nothing further. Have a very good day, Ms. Lomax. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Charles Lanier.
Yeah.
Fine to you, sir. Got an offer for Mr. Lanier. We spoke with Mr. Lanier.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Miss Cameron, did you see Mr. Lee's documentation?
Yes, I did. I saw valid registration and insurance for his vehicle, and the vehicle is a 2012 Mazda CX-9, both insurance and registration for that vehicle.
All right, what about the speeding tickets? Is there going to be any updated recommendation on those?
I didn't know there was any speeding tickets.
Updated recommendation is 6 to 10, Your Honor.
All right, 6 to 10 on the 16 to 20 and dismissing the 1 to 5. $135, that cuts you down to 2 points from 5 points. You want to take the deals, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
Relates to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis on behalf of your client, counsel.
Yes, Judge. Absolutely. Thank you.
Pause with the dismissals.
Yes, Judge. We'll stipulate probable cause.
With those stipulations, 6 to 10, $120, $135. When can you pay, Mr. Lee?
Give me 7 days.
Right, pay by 3/15/2024. All right.
Yes, sir.
And then that kiosk in the city of Detroit and pay, or you can upload that let out to your phone or pay it in person down at the court. All right. Are you still jet setting, sir?
Could you repeat that?
Are you still jet setting, preaching the word, giving the good
Oh,
word?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I'll come check you out one day.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a good day, Mr.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Charles Juan Lanier, case numbers SP 122-27891, SP 122-3574, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 132-58181, SP 152-2320, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1522-3391, SP 154-2796, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP, strike that, 207-150-181, 227-49667, counts 1 and counts 2. We'll call SP 803-6561 into the record. we'll call SP 1001187, counts 2 and counts 3 of the record, and the state of Michigan versus Charles Quan near case number SX 422-4808, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Charles Lanier. Mr. Lanier, state your name for the record, please.
Charles Lanier.
Your Honor, on the 6 tickets that are pending before the court on SP 152-23201, is going to plead to reduce charge of failing to display. And then on tickets SP 152-23391 and ticket SP 154-27961, he's going to plead to the reduced charge of improper plates. Upon acceptance of those pleas, the other 3 tickets will be dismissed and will stipulate cause.
Do me one more time. I was trying.
Okay. On the first ticket of driveway license suspended or revoked, he's pleading to failing to display.
At last 4 of that ticket.
3201, sir.
All right, 3201 FTD.
Correct.
License suspended repeat offender. Okay, go ahead.
Then on 3391, he's going to plead to improper plates.
Okay.
And on 7961, he's going to plead to improper plates.
Okay.
And then the balance of the tickets, 3 tickets, will be dismissed and will stipulate to probable cause on those dismissals.
Those are 2015 tickets. So 230 counts 2 and counts 3 are dismissed.
Yes.
And 796 counts 2 and counts 3 are dismissed.
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Dismiss the state matters. What about the 207? This is, so he's got disregarding officer signal 227496671, and then on count 2 of that is driving license suspended, and then he has a 207150181, a careless driving.
I don't have any of those tickets. I was unaware of those.
Let me give you the updated stuff so you can get a global offer. He has driving while license suspended. These are the tickets that you didn't read. All the ones that you read, we won't go back over those. He's got driving license suspended. He's got a careless driving. He's got a limited access 1 to 5, and he has a driving while license suspended. And then he has another careless driving, a disregard an officer signal, and a driving while license suspended. He also owes 426, 402 for improper plates and a no ops. He also owes 300 on an old no ops. I'll be willing to resentence him to the 240 on those, just to give him a better opportunity to get a driver's license. He owes a reinstatement fee on SX 422-48082. If he wants, we can allow him to pay that reinstatement fee up front. Try to see if he can come back with a valid license. That's what all I see, that it appears that it's messing his license up now. But that's where we're at.
At this time, Your Honor, Diachiku Mason, Detroit 43471. I'm not willing to offer anything in addition on these. I would need to talk to my officers regarding these other matters. So at this point, I'm not willing to amend the offer and add anything, make an offer on these new tickets.
Okay, so you want to, Mrs. Cameron, you want to set it, does his client want to set a trial date and get a global offer? And I still allow him to pay the $45 reinstate. He's in the driver's seat of a car now, so maybe if he's gonna drive, we might as well get him a valid license. So if you try to get a valid license, let them pay the reinstatement fee on this no proof of insurance civil infraction. Speak to them in breakout rooms. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Lanier. Room 10, I'm gonna put you in room 10. Is he? Join the room, please. And this person on the phone never did unmute themselves. Mr. Delonzo Greer, how can we help you?
I missed my court date on the 4th. I was confused if it was the 1st or the 4th, but I was trying to show you I did get my license, I did get my registration, and I did get my insurance. So that's what you told me to show you when I came back to court. I was just trying to show you that I got everything.
I was on the 1st. They're all in warrant status. Let's get Mr. Greer about another court date. He's got a lot of them. You call them warrants. You got to give me a court date. You want it on 7/2? No, 7/5? 7/5. Yeah. Yeah, 7/5.
Yep, 7/5 is getting my receipts.
7/5. Try it one more time. Keep that license good.
I'm trying my hardest.
It shouldn't be that hard. Slow down and drive right. And then at the very least come to court. All right. Come, and you keep missing the date, so you're not doing that good.
It be so far apart. It be my
Write
court
it
date.
down, Mr. Greer. They have a cell phone now, and I know you have one, and you can put that date right now into your phone, and it's going to give you an alert. 2 months, 2 weeks, 15 minutes at the time of the hearing, and all that.
All right,
It's no
I got
excuse.
you.
It's
You're
no
right.
excuse.
You're right.
All right, July the 5th. After you finish turning up for July the 4th, don't forget to come to your court date, July the 5th.
I got you.
All right, Mr. Greer, have a good day.
Appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Lanier and Miss, did you guys have a conversation already?
We did.
Yes.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. Lanier. What's gonna happen?
Your Honor, Mr. Lanier would like to set all of his matters for trial.
All right. Now, what you want to do on July the 5th too? He's got a nice little handful of them too.
No, listen.
But he doesn't mind. He's sitting in the driver's seat. He's about to pull off and peel out right now, right when he hangs up. He's got about 20.
Oh, wow. Okay.
He's not saying a word either. Right, Mr. Lanier?
Hey, look, today I've been handling business today. I got my tickets taken care of in Warren from my previous court case, so I knew I had jurisdictions in Warren, so I just wouldn't pay my bonds and stuff for those.
Get somebody to drive you around so you get a valid license.
Warren.
All right, Penny, come on down to the courthouse. You have $45 on you right now, don't you?
Yes.
Charles Lanier.
Come on down to the courthouse and which date? And pay this reinstatement fee up front. $45 on this SX ticket.
He has more tickets than his other county.
Yes.
Okay, July the 8th.
July the 8th. Go after you pay the reinstatement fee. Is this your last stop?
Is this my last stop?
For court dates. For court.
Yes, I don't have any more court. Well, I got another one coming up for Warren, but I don't know about Detroit.
Why do you come to us last? You take everybody else, all 20 other courts you've been to first, and you come to us last.
No, because my previous court case, you guys said I had to handle that before I came to this one.
All right. Come back, come down to the courthouse. You have an SX ticket. He went inaudible now.
What's the exit?
That's SX 422-48082. Pay the reinstatement fee up front and set all these matters for trial / formal hearing on July the 8th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
July 8th, 9 a.m.
9 a.m. So, Mr. You got to come to the courthouse. If you come down to the courthouse, you wait 48 to 72 hours, those clearances will hit there. You could potentially come back with a valid license on July the 8th.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, you know what to do now? You have to come to the window and do it. There's no other way I can allow you to do it besides coming to the window.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Lanier, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. All right.
That's 79728. You want to call in later? No. He's been on here all day.
Yeah, me set for pretrial, he gets a day anyway.
I don't know because I don't know who he is.
What's his phone number?
729